Good morning to everyone and welcome to another update on the market. For today, I decided to cover British pound versus US dollar. I will speak about the gold market, crude oil and Bitcoin versus US dollar. I will start with the British pound versus US dollar first. So basically, what we have here is the upside trend in the last couple of weeks. We can see that market is building higher highs and higher lows, and I alerted about this key support zone around 1.2360 area, and market held pretty well last week, so we got a rejection there, and yesterday we had a breakout of this a mini resistance zone, and market is holding above this morning. So the next upside objective is set at the price of 1.2540, and this is the next upside objective and an objective for potentially for today and for this week. So again, upside trend on the British pound versus US dollar. Market found the support, and there is a breakout of the mini resistance that we had in the background and good hold above. So upside continuation in the play on the British pound versus US dollar. Speaking of the gold market, this is something that I alerted yesterday. So the support zone around 1975, we got held pretty well, and market reacted up all the way to 2000 mark. We still have a potential to retest 2012 area, and that's the upside potential for today. In case of the breakout of that and hold above, then the next area will be around 2046. So also we can see here that we have a higher lows, we have also the rising trend line, so the trend is absolutely bullish, and still there is a lots of potential for the gold to go higher, but the first reference point is 2012, and then the next one will be 2047. Speaking of the crude oil, we can see that market actually found the support. So this area basically got supported around 76.85, and market reacted higher. It took the recent swing high. So at this point, we didn't have a full gap filled, so we filled partially gap, and now trying to go to the upside again from this area. So there is a chance for the higher prices, but pay attention on this level here. This is where the crude can have some reaction, but towards that level I don't see any bigger significant resistance. So potential reaction reference point, the next reference point is 79.80, and then we have the levels around 81.30 and this area around 83 mark. So potential for the upside continuation on the crude oil. And speaking of the Bitcoin versus US dollar, if we speak about the pivots, we have this support zone. So there was a tail that we established from yesterday, and this is now a support zone. So the area around 27, let's say 27,150 area, 27,150. We have also this resistance, so we're working in this kind of range. And since we had this tail from yesterday, there is a potential for the Bitcoin to go towards the 27,900 mark. So it's kind of range play, a range situation, range development at this point, and with a tail, buying tail from yesterday. So potential for that rotation back up towards this resistance area. That will be all for this update, guys. I hope that you did enjoy. Trade safe as always, and speak to you from tomorrow morning.